President Dr. William Ruto niwaendeeya Kukathiia matambya ala silikali yake yosete kwailya sekta ya kisomo va Kenya aiweta kana silikali yake niyikite mitalatala mithianu kuikiithya vai mumanyiwa unakosa kisomo ainene achathini cha kutunga muvea skuluni wa 8 wa Kapsabet county ya Nandi. Ruto ingi ni wathana kwailya kisomo cha imanisio cia kiuvundi na ila cia iulu. Susan Kavili na ilivota.
Musumbi Dr. William Ruto ehasia silikali yake ni yosete matambya kuikiithya kana vai kana atiwe tina maunduni ma kisomo haikathi ya mibango ilawe yanisi mubianu wa kisomo.
I am very happy that now we have gotten to 99% transition. We are still going to look for the 1% where they are, because we do not want any situation where any child in Kenya is left behind. And it is the reason why we are expanding infrastructure in our schools. In the last 3 years, we have built an extra 23,000 classrooms. We've hired 100,000 teachers. We are now doing 1,600 new laboratories in different schools.
Musumbi Ruto ainene achathini ta kutunga muveta skulu wa 8 wa Kapsabet ayasia silikali yake ni kuikiithya kwailya kisomo cha imanisio cia yulu nikenda imanisio isikethiwe ingi muisioni wa kuvingwa.
We want to make sure that our children in Tibet and in universities are properly catered for, so that we avoid the pitfalls of the past, where our universities were almost insolvent because scholarships, capitation, loans for our students were not properly arranged. Therefore, I am very confident about what we are doing in education, as I have promised the country going into the future, as we build education from the bottom up, from our primary schools to our secondary schools to our colleges and universities. We will also enhance the resources that we'll be using for research and higher caliber of human capital, so that we can take our country to the next level.
Ainene ya umbanoni uona ke Minister wa Kisomo Julius Ogamba because ni wakanya alimwanene alamolia kuandikithia amanyiwa kwika mutiani wa muthia wa mwaka ni kwithiwa maivite visi ayasia ani makosi wa matambya mai makimiao.
We have received reports that some principals are not registering students for their examinations candidates for 2026 because of balances of fees. Let me explain to you. Exams are paid for by the government, so no principal should fail to register a student to undertake the examinations in 2026 because they do not have school fees. If we find that that has happened, we'll take serious administrative and disciplinary action against you.
Ngilipoti ya vilingi wa movo neta wa Susan Kavili.